This is Janeel Mills representing for the man himself, DJ Roddy G. Play this! DJ Roddy J. Roddy G been waiting for so long.
That's true. But the wait is over. The wait is over. Massive, we're here. Let me say good evening to everyone locked in. Whether you're locked in on that 97.1 FM HD3 or streaming online at www.IRIJamRadio.com. However you're connected, a pleasant evening to you and welcome. I'm your host, your presenter, your DJ Roddy G, coming to you live and direct from the shores of Montego Bay. And it's the introduction of a brand new show. We call it Roddy for the Road. Yep. And being a Monday, we've dubbed it Motivational Monday. We're so incredibly excited to be here with you. Kicking off a brand new chapter. And as the day settles, we would like to fuel your spirit with a show that's designed to set your week on the right path. What are we calling it? Roddy for the Road. Because on this journey we call life, not every road is smooth with asphalt. There's some that is like a hilly terrain, like a donkey pass as we'd call it in Jamaica. Yeah. Like a rock and thing. But each day that we're blessed to be above ground, it's a journey. And we'd like to be here, taking those steps with you. So for all our amazing listeners who've been with us before, you know I'm no stranger to you. You know the vibe, you know the energy, and you know the powerful connection we share. And for anyone joining us for the very first time, a huge welcome to the IRIE Jam Radio family. I should warn you, you need to be ready to be inspired, uplifted, and absolutely ready to conquer whatever comes your way. So to all my people here in Jamaica, to all the folks on the hustle in New York, wherever you're dispersed globally, we're here to connect and ignite that spark within you. Hey, I can't tell us if I truly miss this. Trust me, no. I so miss this connection. This shared space where we can uplift each other and fuel our ambitions. So tonight, on this powerful Motivational Monday, we're diving into topics that will supercharge your spirit, share stories that will move you, and of course, go play some music that will guide you forward as you prepare for the days to come. We're here to remind you that every ending brings a new beginning, and every quiet moment can be a powerful launch pad. So as you unwind and reflect, tune in, turn it up, and let's get ready for the road together. It is Roddy for the Road. Thank you for choosing to spend your evening with us. Let's make it incredible. Kicking it off with the sounds of my good friend Janeel Mills. This one, custom style. A new day. A new dawn. A new era. A new chapter. A new Roddy for the Road.
DJ Roddy J. Roddy G been waiting for so long for this double to come. Everyone say your dub is so strong. Hold on, don't shed a tear. Hush, now Roddy G is the light in the sky. Oh, 'cause he's almost blinding them. They can't believe Roddy G come and kill them with dub. This dub.
IRIE Jam Radio.
be strong. Hold on, don't shed a tear. Hush, now I see a light in the sky. Oh, it's almost blinding me. I can't believe I've been touched by an angel with love, with love. Let the rain come down and wash away my tears. Let it fill my soul and drown my fears. Let it shatter the walls for a new sun. Day has come. A new day has. Through the darkness and good times, I knew I'd make it through. And the world thought I had it all, but I was waiting for you. Hush, now I see a light in the sky. Oh, it's almost blinding me. I can't believe I've been touched by an angel with love, with love. Let the rain come down and wash away my tears. Let it fill my soul and drown my fears. Let it shatter the walls for a new sun. Day has come. A new day has. Let the rain come down and wash away my tears. Let it fill my soul and drown my fears. Let it shatter the walls for a new sun. Day has come. A new day has. What if I told you it was all meant to be? Will you believe me? Will you agree? It almost that feeling we met before. So tell me that you don't feel like
IRIE Jam
crazy
Radio.
when I tell you love has come here and now. A moment like this, some people wait a lifetime for the moment like this. Some people search forever for the one special kiss. Oh, I can't believe it's happening to me. Some people wait a lifetime for a moment like
On a moment
this.
like this, me sit back and reminisce. The sunshine a bless your faces like a morning bliss. Sun kiss, girl, me love to see you smile like this. Love me God for you, it coulda never switch. This magic moment in the moment like a lunar eclipse. Once in a lifetime feel so special for you experience this. And me keep you safe, treasure when me having a chase. Ready for ignite the love and strike him a chase.
Some people wait a lifetime for the moment like this. Some people search forever for the one special kiss. Oh, I can't believe it's happening to me.
Let's believe.
Some people wait a lifetime.
IRIE Jam Radio, bringing you the hits.
Moment like this, you better be ready. Say try not make him miss you. Hold on tight and keep it steady. It's so true when the love ya find you. Say what you gonna do if it get a hold of you. We blessing in love, watch me light up your fire. I will give anything your heart desire. No matter the season, girl, no matter where the weather.
stars. Went to a dance class Saturday night. I was feeling tipsy and the mood was right. Sight a little daughter and a step in at the corner. Cause I feel like dancing all night. So I said, cool down the pace for me, little woman. You're going too fast for me. I said, cool down the pace for me, little woman. That's not how it should be. I told her to try. I don't know why. No use trying, cause she can. I saw she do it how she want, Lord. So I said, cool down the pace for me, little woman. You're rocking it too fast for me. I said, cool down the pace for me, little woman. That's not how it should be. Rockin', 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 rockin'.
Now I may not be familiar with your language, oh no, but I sure would like to cross over your bridge. Yeah, yeah. Said I may not dress in style as the men in your town do, but I sure know how to say I love you. I wanna love you in the morning, love you in the evening too. Even when you're lonely, I'll make you happy when you're feeling blue. I'm just a stranger in your town. Once in a while I'll pop around.
First time I laid eyes on you, you teased and said I'm untrue. Why? Yet deep in my heart I knew I was in love with you.
IRIE Jam, simply outstanding.
The first time I laid eyes on you, you teased and said I'm untrue. Why? Yet deep in my heart I knew I was in love with you. So caress me, girl, embrace me, girl. You never ever go astray. Caress me, girl, embrace me, girl. Why? Caress me, girl, embrace me, girl. You never ever go away. Caress me, girl, embrace me, girl. Ooh, a man in my position can't afford to look ridiculous. Oh no. You insult my intelligence, making me so furious. So caress me, girl, embrace me, girl. You never ever
missing your touch and squeezing, yeah. I'm drinking after tries it,
IRIE Jam Radio, bringing you the hits.
I'm freezing, oh yeah, I'm freezing, yeah. You leave me, know it not easy, yeah. I'm missing your touch and squeezing, yeah. I'm drinking after tries it, yeah. Though I was dead wrong, but now my heart's all crushed when I see you with someone else. Been here so long, feel like my life's gone. Good times with you I cannot forget. I wanna get you out, yeah. I wanna get you out of my head, but I'm so addicted to you. I wanna get you out, yeah. I wanna get you out of my head, but I'm too addicted to you. I'm addicted to you. Your last sex was dry and empty. You sent me one, I sent plenty. You're happy and I'm still on empty. To my heart, you still have entry. Yeah, I tried to block you, but that don't work good. Stop you with my bank account instead. Wanna talk to you, tell you the whole truth. Maybe then I won't be so obsessed. 'Cause I wanna get you out, yeah. I wanna get you out of my head, but I'm too addicted to you. I wanna get you out. I wanna get you out of my head, but I'm too addicted to you.
Now this one is reaching out to my special baby boo. Can't live without you. With these words I'm pouring out my love for you, baby. Hey. Sugar, sugar, baby, I just need to know if you need me still. Tell me what you want. I can get it, just put it on my bill. Oh yeah. Just tell me what you're saying right now and just let me know. Let me know. And if you really, really, really want it, I think you should just let it go. Let it flow. So I said, come on, baby. I need your love. I can't fight it, no. You're my drug. My baby blue. Telling you I'm still in love with you. Oh yeah. In the middle of the night, I don't really care. You can call me up. I'll be on my way. Ready anytime, girl. Call me up. Tell me what you're saying right now and just let me know. And if you really, really, really want it, I think you should just let it go. So I said, come on, baby. I need your love. I need your loving, girl. And I can't fight it, no. You're my drug. Oh, my baby blue. Telling you I'm in love with you. Girl, baby blue. Tell me that you love me, girl. I'm in love with you. Baby blue. Know that I love you. So in love with you. Baby blue. Tell me that you love me, girl. I'm in love with you. Baby blue. Love you. I'm in love with you. So I said, come on, baby. I need your love.
So as we're about to complete the first segment of the show, remember it is Motivational Mondays. And so I want to share a thought with you. I want to share this idea that sometimes we fail to meet our major goals because we're too caught up in satisfying the immediate feeling. Meaning we're looking at the huge picture, we're looking at the big picture, and we want to make some major steps. And we break it up into small, manageable pieces. But somewhere along the line, we get caught up in satisfying like the small steps that we don't get to the big steps. We get complacent. We said, all right, well, I did this, I did that. And then we're like, well, you know, we feel satisfied that we accomplished these little steps. And then we start procrastinating. We're saying, all right, the other steps will come. Well, on this Motivational Monday, this is a word to myself as well. Let's not do that. Let's stay focused on the major goal, the major objective, and we strike off the small accomplishments without ever dropping the ball or losing the energy to go for the big dream. I'm chasing my big dream. How about you? Remember, I look forward to your interaction, your comments. So don't hesitate to hit me up on those socials. You can follow me at DJ RODDYG. Follow IRIE Jam Radio using that handle on all social media platforms. Let's keep the conversation going as we head into our first break. We come back, more music as it's Roddy for the road, getting you ready for the road.